Hello, this is how we try for mass communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a video from any song from YouTube. Okay, very simple process. You can do this in iPhone 14, 15. I'm using iPhone 14 Plus in this case. Process will be the similar. First, you have to go to YouTube. One most important thing, you have to have YouTube Premium, because when you go out from the app, it will close if you don't have YouTube Premium. So click the song that you want to record, put this song. Now go out, so it's playing on background, and go to camera app of your phone. Here we go, camera. So the music is playing behind, should be option selected in photo. So when it's photo, you tap this one for a few seconds, you have to drag it. When you drag, you can see it's recording, you can see the number, record whatever you like. It's fine. I off this one and I close the song. Here we go. And go back to camera again. So here is a video or gallery, whatever. So let's play this. You can see it's recorded my voice as well and the video as well. Wow, magnificent short video for sure. Magnificent. Obviously you can't use this on YouTube for video other purpose. You could have copyright on that. Okay guys, so this is how you can record YouTube song or music while recording a video. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.